Now the car is finished. Is here. Engine change by KBT mechanic technician. Is in Everett, 80 Tremont Street. This new engine, perfect, nice, good job. Car running like a bean. So this is the old engine. This MKS 2010 engine is here. That's the engine. That's the one. It's a lot of work, and be careful. Try to do the job. Be careful. Everything should have to be perfect. Nice. This engine, they come with different installation, and installation of transmission doesn't go through because it's different. Some plugs doesn't find no places. So now it's good. It's good now to run good, and you go to work. Thank you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.